Ayan, so continuation tayo. So here is the sample problem number 4 from CE Board May 2015. So the problem, the unit weight of a liquid is variable and is given by the relation gamma is equal to 10 plus 0.5 h, where gamma is in kilonewton per cubic meter and h is the depth of the liquid from the free surface in meters. And ang pinapahanap is determine the gauge pressure in kPa at the depth of 5 meter. So una, kunin muna natin yung given muna. So given tayo ng gamma or the unit weight y or gamma is equal to 10 plus 0.5 h, and then naka-kilonewton per cubic meter siya. And then pinapahanap sa atin is yung gauge pressure daw. So gauge pressure, P is ito, yung pinapahanap. So yung H natin is 5 meter. So pinapahanap sa atin yung gauge pressure at a depth of 5 meter. So 5 meter, ano yung gauge pressure? Ano yung pressure pagdating dito sa 5 meter? Yan. So from the free surface. So formula tayo. So pressure is equal to gamma H, and then kapag derive natin or differentiate derivative, dP is equal to gamma. Yung gamma natin dito is the constant times dH. Yan. So para makuha natin yung gauge pressure at the depth of 5 meters, so using integration. So using integration, makukuha natin yung gauge pressure at a depth of 5 meter. Ayan. Ayan. So using ito, dP, so integrate natin, dP is equal to gamma dH. Yan. So isalpak muna natin yung value nito. So dP is equal to 10 plus 0.5 h times dH. Yan. So using integration, so integrate natin. So 0 to P, yan, para makuha natin yung gauge pressure. So from free surface in meters, so 0 hanggang sa 5 meter. Ayan. So in 5 meter, makukuha natin yung gauge pressure using integration. So dito, so P na lang yan. P is equal to, integrate natin, so 10 H plus 0.5 h squared divided by, ayan, 2. So from 0 to 5 meter. So salpak natin. So P, where the pressure is equal to 10 yung 5 muna, 5 meter, 10 h plus 0.5 times 5 squared divided by 2. Ayan. And then, yung 0, so kapag yung value ng h is 0, so pag sinalpak natin dyan is 0 lang din naman. So, minus 0 na lang. Ayan. So, P now is, so dito na lang sa taas. So, at 5 meter, ayan, at 5 meter, yung pressure natin ay equal to 10 plus, so 50, 0.5, so 0.25, 5 squared, 6.5 25. So 50 plus 6.25 is 56.25. So yung pressure at 5 meter is 56.25. So ano yung unit? So 'di ba yung gamma natin naka-kilonewton. So kilonewton per cubic meter. And then yung height natin is naka-meter. So cancel. So magiging kilonewton per meter squared. And then ang kilonewton meter squared ay equivalent lang siya sa kPa. So ang unit natin dito is kPa. Ayan. So at 5 meter, the gauge pressure would be 56.25. So yan yung final answer natin for sample problem number 4.